SIP equipment production line. Product introduction. Core board EPS, XPS board. Face panel MGO board, OSB board, calcium silicate board, etc. We have various equipment design solutions to meet customer requirements. Dust collector. Spraying speed 1 to 8 meter mean. Product applications. Interior and exterior walls and roofs of buildings. Features such as aesthetics and fast construction efficiency, short building cycle, etc. Our company sells this equipment to many countries, including Iran, Egypt, the United States, and Canada.